Hey Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool right here, and pretty much what this is some grow lights. If you can see for the one that we got right here, it's a brand called Everlasting Comfort. And the way how to design this product allow you guys to use it for growing your plants, since it is like a growing light. And if you can see right here, they do provide some specs and features about the product. If you guys turn inside right here, they also provide some more specs and features about the product. So they mention how it's customizable, programmable. It gives you guys 204 LED lights and 6 timer options. And it does have a tripod option that allows you guys to adjust it. And there's 11 dimming settings and 7 different color mode when you guys do use it, which is pretty cool. But the way how to design it, it does give you guys adjustable gooseneck design. So that way you can bend it in different angles if you guys want to. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, here's what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So first the inside, we do have the cable for you to plug it in to actually activate it. Next the inside, they do provide a remote for you to control it. Underneath that, we do have a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then at the very bottom, we do have everything else. So we do have the tripod option, and then we do have the grow light option. Let me show you guys tripod option, and then we'll take this part out. So once you guys do have the tripod, you can see how it's pretty big. So we have to open up. Once you guys do open up, here's what the part looks like. And if you guys want just this part right here, feel free to turn it to loosen up. Same thing for other ones as well. And top part right here is where to unscrew it and set it up when you guys do put the outer part on top. So I'll put this down on the ground for now, and I'll probably just adjust it to make it a little bit higher. Just to give you guys an idea of how high I can go. So I do put it on the floor, that is how high I can go. But for this test, I'm actually bring it a little bit lower, so that way I can set up the light to show you guys what it looks like. And I do want to mention for the bottom part right here, you do want to tighten it up, so that way the light will not move when you guys put it on the ground. So I'll leave it here for now. What I'm going to do is take this part out, and I'll probably just leave this part on, but feel free to take it off if you guys want to. But for this part right here, you guys want to take it out before I do use it. Once you guys do move it, here's what the part looks like. And you see all the LED on there, and for each one of them is adjustable gooseneck like I mentioned. So definitely adjust in different angles if you guys want to. The bottom part right here is where you plug in cable to use it. And then here we do have the control for it to use. So then feel free to use this, or you guys can use the remote control that I showed you guys earlier. But pretty much what you guys want to do is to screw this onto this part right here. So just like this. Let me bring this down. Once you guys set it up, it will look something like this. Then feel free to adjust the different necks on here if you guys want to aim in different direction. Or if you guys want to aim in different direction, you can definitely use it how you guys want. But the other side, I want to plug it in. So I want to connect it onto this part right here. So just like this. In this side, I want to connect it onto the wall. So once we got connected, now I can turn it on. So I'll aim this one here. I'll aim this towards the wall. I'll aim this towards this side, and this one right here. So like I mentioned, you can feel free to turn it on here, or you can use the remote. Let's turn it on here. So I do press the power button. You can see how it does turn on. And the light that's on here is actually very bright, if you can see. So I'm going to decrease the brightness, press on this button. And that is how I decrease it. If you guys increase it, that's how bright it can go. Let me bring this a bit closer to show you guys a close-up view of what the product looks like. So when you guys look from up close, here's what the light looks like for each one of them. Now try the other setting. If you guys press on the setting button, you do have the option to change different settings on here. So whether if you guys want to use all 5 or just one at a time, it does give us that option. If you guys press on timer option, there's 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hour, 12, 15, and 18. If you guys press on setting button, if you guys press on this button right here on the side, it allows you guys to change different color on here. Let me bring it a little bit closer. So I do change the color. That is what it looks like. And you guys can control it for each one of them and turn the color option on here if you guys want to. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. And once you guys are done, you guys can press the power button. And that turns it off. If you see how when you do turn it off, it does give you the option to turn off one of them at a time, which is really cool. So you can definitely use the control on here to control it, or you can use the remote like I mentioned. So regardless if you guys want to use this as a regular light to lighten up your room, or if you guys want to use it for your plant to grow it much faster, you do have the option available. But definitely really cool how it is a big grow light option. Usually for a lot of other ones I've viewed in the past, it's like a smaller grow light option that's not really strong. Whereas this one right here is really strong and really powerful for you guys to use as a grow light option, which is pretty awesome. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality grow light to use for your plants, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.